Hello, guys, and welcome to the Dethestudios. I am Deborah, and today we'll be continuing our XG marathon music video reaction. Yes, I think this is going to be the last part of me. This video is going to be the last video or the last part of the XG marathon. Yes, so after we are done with the XG marathon, I think we'll be doing a 17 marathon or a Blackpink marathon. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, and for this last part of the reaction of XG, we're reacting to 5 songs, which is In the Rain, which was released just this Friday, the music video, then Something Ain't Right, If You Know You Know, Undefeated, and Is This Love. Yes, 5. As for TV Toes and Mascara, I think we'll react to it later in the year when they release a new album. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's just start, shall we? And before we start, I want to thank you guys for 80 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so happy. At first we were at 40, then we moved to 60, and now we're at 80, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so without wasting much time, let's just dive into the video, shall we? Let's go. Okay, guys, so we'll be starting with In the Rain. Yeah, and with the In the Rain music video, this is my first time reacting to it, so this is going to be like a genuine reaction. I'm not going to sing along because I want to concentrate more on the music video and how, like, with the visuals of the music video and everything. So yeah, the choreo and everything. So yeah, this is going to be 100% me concentrating on the music video. Now the other music videos, I've already watched them, so it's going to be me reacting to it and also like vibing and singing along. Yeah, so let's start with the In the Rain music video, shall we? Let's go.
Cause we had each other.
See the hair, the purple hair. Oh my god, outfits are going crazy. Oh, Harvey. Yeah. Maya. It's giving 90s vibe. It's giving Baekhyun Bambi vibes. Oh, it's Jurin. Oh my god, she's rocking the outfit.
Because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side?
Just like the purple hair with the curls and
let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign
Coconut.
no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing.
Oh, I'm having a crush on Coconut right now. You see the catch.
Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, ain't no one will look back, look back. It was only a game, but I paid.
Harvey has this beautiful voice. Oh my god.
Poured down the drain, all the scars, all the pain, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side,
they're so sexy with it, like.
So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me in the rain, 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 in the rain. Baby, let me soak in.
Oh, they're so synchronized. Oh, oh, oh my god, guys, this was good. But I think this is like their simplest outfits out there, to be sincere. Because with the other music videos, their outfits are like crazy and all. But I think with the In the Rain, they wanted to go with something simple, like the outfits. They didn't want to like exaggerate the outfit like how they always do. Yeah, but it was nice. It was nice. I liked it. I enjoyed it. Wow, I enjoyed it, guys. Yeah. So let's move to the next music video, shall we? Let's go. Okay, guys. So the next music video we're reacting to is This Love? Is This Love? Is This Love? I really like this song. Oh my god. But without wasting much time, let's get started, shall we? Let's go. I don't think I've watched this MVU. I haven't, yeah. But I've heard the song. I listen to it on Spotify frequently, but I don't think I've watched the music video. No, I haven't. How is it possible? Oh my god! But it's good, boom. It's good. You guys would see my fresh reaction. Oh, Harvey is a robot, sir. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my god, she's like a Barbie doll. But she said she's not any Barbie doll, so. Ah, see the outfits. The outfits are always given. Cocona. June is so pretty. Oh. Look at the outfit. I'm just jealous of their outfit too. I just want to rock it. Oh. I can't wait for them to release a dance practice video for this new MV. They even kiss, thank God. I thought they were about to kiss. What is happening? What is happening? During this, she has kissed Hitana and she has kissed Harvey. Maya's solo. They gave Maya her solo stage because this part she was like trending for this part, this choreo on TikTok. Because Maya has swag, you understand? So yeah. Wow. What's that? Is This Love? Whoa! Wow, wow, wow. I enjoyed it, guys. I really, really enjoyed it. It was good. The song is good. You understand? I think Maya made the song extra good with her swag and how she danced to the music video. Understand? She was giving her all. Anyway, guys, we're moving to the next music video. That is Something Ain't Right. I really like that song too. Okay, guys, let's move, shall we? Okay, guys, so XG Something Ain't Right. Sorry, my chair is worrying me. XG Something Ain't Right. Yeah, let's start. And I've already watched the music video. I'm hinting on that one second. I've already watched it, so I don't think I'll be 100% concentrating on the music video because I might be vibing or I don't know, yeah, singing along. But like, let's just watch, shall we? Let's start. Let's go.
Something ain't right. You've been acting
Is it
funny
Harvey?
lately.
The
You
floating.
ain't got a light.
I've tried
Got me
turning my
out here
phone to
looking
identify
crazy.
if the person
What you
back.
tryna hide? Baby,
I
I
know.
can't take it. You can't take it. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. I feel you creeping. I don't
Your
need
outfits
to
are
be right there,
always
boy.
giving.
The way you
Maya.
move, the things you're doing just ain't fair, boy. Now every time I call your
Kuna.
name, the way you
This
answer
makeup
ain't
that
the
they did on me
same.
was so
Can't
good.
figure you out, boy.
With her hair style.
You really think that
I remember when June was going viral for the Gojo walk. Everybody was just going crazy. Oh my god, Maya did the Gojo walk. I was like, wow.
when I know something ain't right. You've been acting funny lately. You ain't got a light. Got me out here looking crazy. What you trying? Baby, I can't take it. You can't take it. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. 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 I know something ain't right. Boy, I put you in the spotlight. You can tell me what you want, but it's all lies. Knock, who's that? It's your whole life. I don't do 3 checks only one time.
Maya with her catwalk.
Oh shit, you must be crazy. Why do you really think that you're the one?
Wow.
Who could be running game over me?
See the outfit.
Are you standing there playing dumb? When I know something ain't right. You've been acting funny lately. You ain't got a light. Got me out here looking
Kuna.
crazy.
Oh my god, my
What you
bias.
tryna hide? Baby, I can't take it. You can't take it. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. 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 I know something ain't right. What goes on comes back around. Look at me in my eyes, baby, can you tell me where it's all time? You could drop all the acts, my baby, but it's time you ain't gon' make it. I can tell you a million times, something ain't right. You've been acting funny lately. You ain't got a light. Got me out here looking crazy. What you tryna hide? Baby, I can't take it. You can't take it. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. 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 I know something ain't right.
This music video is just them flexing their outfits on me. Because the outfit was given. Oh my god. Wow. Let's move to the next MV, guys. Yeah. Like I'm out of words. I don't know what to say again because it's XG. It's just XG, guys. Yeah. So let's move to the next MV, which is if you know, you know. Yeah. If you know, then you know. Period. What am I doing? Okay, guys. So if you know, you know. It is XG IYKYK. If you know, you know. Official music video reaction. Yeah. Let's start. I've already watched this again. Yes, it's like me re-watching. Yeah. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, outfit always eats. It eats. Oh my god.
If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna lie. Let's get right. Only we can get it right. You right, get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna lie. Let's get it right. Only we can get it right. You right. If you know, you know. I see it in your eyes. Don't wanna fight
You're so
this
pretty.
feeling.
It's not this one. She had pink hair in the rain music video. She had purple hair. Flexibility be what for Hinata.
Aesthetic, like the automatic. We don't drive by, we driving all the way down that cosmic drop. That like whoa, stop. Love it when you make that beat rock, rolling with galactic rolls, push and pull. I'm a freak on a beat like If you If you know, you know. Tell me if you know it. Pass it on the spin line. Only I can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you want it right. Pass it on the spin line. Only I can get it right. If you know, you know.
Yeah, we do it non-stop to the cycle. We're not me instead of UNO, we UFO. But if you knew, maybe you would know.
Oh,
Planet I'ma do
Dreams red hair.
I don't talk when I want. Stay in the style like I already want. Sayonara, I'm gone. Ah, swoosh, yeah, that's facts. Give me that boost with a little bounce back.
Hey, do the dance again.
If you come in my girls, I'ma throw some hands like take it out of space. We make it levitate, fly through the interstate. Cause we go up, yeah, we elevate. And we ate like a dinner plate. If you're asking me what's beyond the deep, come and take a leap. Just follow my lead.
Oh, the opposite. Oh my god.
But baby, only if you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride. Pass it on the spin line. Only I can get it right.
Get right, get right.
If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride.
Oh,
Pass it on the spin line. Only I can get it right.
get right, get right.
If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride.
Whoa.
Only I can get it
Oh,
right. If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride. Pass it on the spin line. Only I can get it right. If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
with the coconut makeup, I think they said it was acupuncture or something. Might have been painful.
You know.
That's why I said they say fashion hurts. You understand? Fashion, or it's pain hits, or beauty hits. I don't know. There's a thing like that. But anyway, I enjoy the guys. XG once again. I love XG. Yeah. So we'll be moving to the next and the last MV. That is Undefeated. When I do, you have to understand. The song is dope. The song bangs. It's so good. I think this is one of XG's underrated songs because that song it's crazy. It's crazy. Let's move to the next and the last MV, shall we? Let's go. Okay, guys. So the last MV we're reacting to is XG Undefeated. It's a performance video, guys. Yes, and I think the song was for a game. Yeah, it's for a game, but I think they decided to do a performance video for it because they just want to, like, I don't know, they want to show us like their XG. They want to show us their fashion and all. They want to flex on us. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, this is also one of my favorite songs of XG, Undefeated. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let's start. Let's just start. Okay, let's start. They can dance. Oh my god. The fashion here, look at the fashion. It's so crazy.
Undefeated, that's why they call me undisputed, I'm breaking up another season, I've been up on my stats, now would you look at that, undefeated, locked and loaded, we about to go, caught them with that left, I'll leave them tapped out on the floor, sounding itchy, sticky, swishy, watch me bank a score, I've been the boat, I'm in the zone,
Yeah, Kune's the voice here.
King of the jungle and being
My
my
chest.
chest. This I'm posing the play.
Hey.
Just to the pub and I'm cutting the net.
Bring my finger up yes. Like clean tricks and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. Unrivaled, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm ranking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that? I pop on with the jumper, then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna, make him do the most. Not enough, I'm just warming up. We up in the cut. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Turn your heat up. Oh, two-step to cruise, scare. Now you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun. I'll be starting riots when I pull the stun. I got him shook. I'm on a bro. Shook him shut. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals.
Oh.
They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. Unrivaled, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm ranking up another season. been up on my stats. Now would you look at that?
The outfit here is so colorful. I think it's because of the game.
Even
Yeah.
though it's been a long way, even at the top, I'm wide awake. And we do it all again. Just remember the time, remember the climb. Not a glitter and shine. Oh, we on top of the world. We want you. They know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm ranking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that?
How I wish they release a dance practice for this one, but I don't think they'll release it anytime soon. Yeah, they are busy. They are booked and busy, so I don't think they'll do it. But anyway, so that's it for today, guys. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, so that's it. We've come to the end of the XG marathon. I really wanted to continue because it's left with like 3 songs. That's TV Toes, Mascara, and New Dance. New Dance is also one of their, they have good songs. Yeah, I wanted to react to it, but I don't know. I just want to react to a different artist. You understand? Yeah. So as I said, I wish I could continue, but yeah, just want to pause for now, and I know continue later. Maybe when they release a new album, then I'll add it to it and react to it. But you can go ahead and check it out on their YouTube channel. Their music videos are crazy, as I said, so you can check it out. Yeah, but yeah, we'll be reacting to a new artist set of group, that's 17 or Blackpink. So you guys can tell me in the comment section below which of the two you want me to react to. Yeah, and if you guys have any artist or music video that you want me to react to, you are free to tell me in the comment section so that I'll react to it for you guys. Yes, so there's the end of the video. I would also want to thank you guys once again for 80 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Yes, so yeah, that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.